we're putting
the rear end onto the transmission. Got transmission set up so we can just set the rear end down on it and check our clearance between the gasket and the transmission. And the reason we're doing that is because this transmission onto a rear end had two of these round shims. One shim was 20 thousandths.
No, I think one was 30.
Okay.
And one I think was 10.
Okay. I already have the 10 on there. We'll put the 30 on. And what we're doing here is setting it on there and see if there is some room so it's not setting the transmission or the rear end away from the rear pump on this. So now we need a little bit of glue to put this on.
You want that Is this what you want?
Sure.
That stuff?
Just something to stick it. Oh, we need.
Just something to hold it on there so it doesn't
slide around.
Using the yellow super weather strip gasket.
That comes in black too. Line up your holes real good. Okay, do you have feeler gauge?
Yeah, I should have a fuel gauge. Give a look.
Cool. That side, and I'll lift this side. And here goes. I do not want to slam that.
Need to turn something? No.
No, there's nothing to turn. You got to get it in.
It's got to go on the spline?
Yeah. All right, can you look at it? Yep.
I can look at it. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. There? Yeah, something like there.
Okay. All right, you sit down. Okay.
Because I moved around so much, I had to get into the spline hole.
To get it down on there.
You want a kneeling pad?
No. All right, we got the gasket in there, and she's laid down good. All right, we got the rear end onto the transmission. We had 30 thousandths clearance in there, and it's set down on the gasket. So we are good.
We're good? You checked it
Yeah.
with the gauge?
Didn't have to.
No?
Nope.
How come you didn't have to? You checked it with
I'm trying to, if it was up, then I'd use a gauge to find out how much we need to take out to get it to sit down.
Oh, okay, to sit flat.
Right.
Okay.
So we're against the gasket. So now all we do is put the bolts in.
Okay. So we're flat against it.
Right.
Okay. Well, this one was originally, these two pieces came apart, you know.
Right.
But, like you said, stuff could change, right?
We did change stuff. We changed the ring and pinion in it.
Yeah.
So I wanted to double check that, so we're still back in a good graces between the transmission and the rear end, so it's got clearance. And we have clearance.
Okay, so
We didn't want it tight. That was the main
you
thing.
didn't want it tight? Okay. Didn't want it to be tight. We didn't want it to be up, otherwise you have to pull the small shim out.
Right.
And then if it was still up,
Pull
the
the
small one out.
and
Put
take the large one out and put the small one back in.
Yeah. Okay.
Because one of them was 30 thousandths and the other was 10 thousandths.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean a lot, but it means a lot for these transmission rear end together.
Okay. All right, we got the 4 bolts in, and now this
It's together.
is together.
Yep. And we put our centerpiece in. Slides right in. It's perfect. Now we're going to put the torque converter seal in.
And you say this is the one that's
We'll
have
pucker up.
have a spare, because it's
Yep.
try to always have a spare, because it's a bear sometimes.
Yep. And what I do is I put my finger on it, and you can actually feel the seal as you're barely tapping on it go down in the hole. Better to take extra time than to go, oops, now we need another seal. Seal is in.
Well, it seemed like it went in pretty easy.
It did.
Yeah.
It did go in easy.
Okay.
Sure beats fighting the hell out of them.
And I ordered the new gears for 355. These were the other ones. It was a different gear ratio. I don't remember what it was, but they were chewed up anyways. I know we had to figure it out. I got it written down or whatever.
Yeah.
They were,
I think these were
You said-
389.
you said I could pull tree stumps out with them.
Yeah. Yeah.
389. I'll still keep the old gear anyways,
Absolutely.
because I opened
All right, you have.
that one. It doesn't have a gear, and the set of gears, the ring and pinion in that one are
Junk.
junk, just like the ones
Rusted up.
like the ones you pulled out. It had the pinion in it,
Yeah.
like there was water in it.
Yeah.
Yep,
Yep.
junk too.
Okay, so that gear was not on this piece.
In this one here,
Yeah.
no, this gear is missing.
Good. And that's the one we'll put the new gear on.
Okay. All right. We got that little clip
Off
off. You just
without destroying it.
you just spread it. It's just a piece of metal.
Yeah, it
No
is.
spring to it.
Yeah.
We double checked the angle on the gear. They both, either way you put it, they're angled the same direction.
Yeah.
Right?
This is a little bit narrower. No, it's an optical illusion. Look at that.
It looks like it, eh?
It does.
When you put it next to it, it doesn't. It's not.
Yeah. Okay, now, do you have a small to push down
Oh, a puller?
a puller?
Sure.
Cool.
Okay. Get a puller here. You can adjust
Yeah.
how far in and out you want it by that. You thought I'd be digging for 20 minutes. I couldn't find the feeler gauges. These things are on that tight. Well, it's only going to pull it that far, and then you have to stick something
Yep.
in there.
Right.
We're working on pulling it off. Or maybe it'll pull off just because you...
Nope.
Okay, I'll go get something. Put the other way around. Oh, no, what? Too long? Still?
See if I can get this back just a little bit more. Okay. Now twirl that in just a little bit. Okay, here we go. You dirty rotten.
Hanging on there a little bit?
Yeah, it is. That's what we need.
All right. She came off. There we go. You want a piece of brass?
Nah,
Huh?
nah. Is it coming through? Oh, beautiful.
Okay, now we got 355 Speedo. I went on
Yep.
too far?
Yep, we did. Okay. Now I need a good pair, a longer handled pair of pliers to.
Squeeze it. It's your choice.
You don't have a longer handle. I hope I can muscle this.
Oh. I should just go straight over it. Squeeze that little...
You ready?
Yeah, squeeze that little ring on there.
There. Yeah.
Now what I actually did was took these and made them so I could kind of alter them a little bit.
Oh, so
I altered them a little bit so I could get that thing off.
Yeah. Now, what did I do with the O-ring?
Okay. And with the O-ring?
Yeah, it's gonna be one of them days.
Yeah, it's one of them days.
Yeah, it is.
I've been having that most of the week. Most every day I had a couple of them days. Put the O-ring on, and then in with the Clarks. I ordered a second one right away,
Okay.
just because it came
Put
with.
that back in there.
Yeah, it came with this. Came with a little piece of metal to actually bend around in there
Yeah.
in case you wrecked the one to get off.
Yeah.
And that piece looks almost too long. Even it's just, I think it's just half of a cotter pin piece.
Could be.
Could be anything, I guess. Don't take much to
Okay.
hold
Now I need a. Is that in your pile of goodies?
it. Yeah, let's find it. Screw it with a little WD-40. Make it slick.
Yep. Oh, this is gonna be one of them fun ones.
Get that screwed on there.
Yeah, dirty rock. There, that's not going to fall out.
So you actually got to turn this because there's a flat spot on there for that.
There's an indent in there that this piece goes into.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Got him.